This is Butterfinger is so cool.
Hooray!
One try I said
Well
on
done, Happy.
Butterfinger. Not really.
Why are you doing?
What? Give me Butterfinger. It's Butterfilbrous.
Let's me to kill.
Crispy, crunchy, peanut butter on my Butterfinger.
Shut up, Evilbrus.
What?
This is not good, Patrick. This is not good. Mr. Krabs is gonna be home soon, and when he sees what we did to his first dollar...
What if your plan doesn't work? What if you ruined your only chance to make a good first impression? What if you grow old and alone? What if I grow old and alone? What if the world ends tomorrow?
'Cause you and me, we're like brothers, only closer.
Before I start this rant, if you like good game, you know the drill. Anyways, let's start. Good game? Wow! / oh my god. This company sucks / rock. Let me tell you reasons why good game sucks / rocks. 49 million. In my opinion, this company ripped off games from Moon Active, Supercell, Gameloft, Voodoo, Plarix, Beatles Game Studios, Outfit 7, Wild Tangent, Tactile Games. 99% of games GAM had ads. Here is what that GAM company done. The first game is Peg Gammering Master. This game is a rip-off to Moon Active's Coin Master. I'm too lazy for the others. The worst / best game made by this company is Big Farm.
Big Farm is a rip-off to / same as Supercell's Heyday. Even though I like / hate Heyday. Since Big Farm, all new games end with Big.
Sorry for the low pitch. Anyways, this is Heyday 70047 me. Signing off. Before I start this rant, if you like Video Breen Kadu, you know the drill. Anyways, let's start. Video Breen Kadu? Oh my 1 no million 10 no million 100 no million god. 3. 33. 999. 1004. This company sucks. Let me tell you reasons why Video Breen Kadu sucks 187 no million. In my opinion, this company ripped off movies from Disney, Pixar, 200 no million 99th Century Studios, Paramount, Allspark picked, Sony Pictures Animation, Universal, DreamWorks and Blue Sky Studios. Here is what that 565 no million company done. 90 years is here. This movie is a 45 no million rip-off to Disney Pixar's Cars. I'm too lazy 900 no million for the others. The worst movie made by this and your 6 no million company is The Little Panda Fighter.
The Little Panda Fighter is a rip 1 no million 87 off to DreamWorks Kung Fu Panda. Even though I like Kung Fu 1 no million Panda.
Sorry for the low pitch. Anyways, this is 8 no million 90 me. Signing 604 no million off.
Amazed at how good you are at finding her. She's so impressed she's going to join you for the rest of your journey. Look, she's jumped into your pocket. To get to the next platform, help your monster find the letters that make the word cow.
Ooh.
I don't think that was the right rock to jump on. Listen carefully and help your monster find the letter.
Ow.
Cow. To get to the next platform, help your monster find the letters that make the word
Blow. Oh. Blow.
To get to the next platform, help your monster find the letters that make the word
Snow. Oh. Snow.
You found a magic gate. Read Jessica's message out loud and find the right balloon to open the gate. There's a spell book, but the goblin Goblin Prince is nearby. Can you get to the spell book without him hearing you? You've got a spell book. Help your monster complete the spell with the words at the bottom of the page. You've completed the spell and banished the Goblin Prince.